Hey, what's up, everyone? Mike here. My apologies, I didn't get to trade today. I never even got to open chat. I texted Wayne this morning. Thank you, Wayne. I had Wayne open up the chat room for y'all. So I have no idea how you guys did. Hopefully, you made some good trades. Hopefully, you worked together and had some nice stuff. I'm trying to look at charts, and looks like the SPY was pretty sideways-ish, choppy. Dow down 173 by the end of the day. But anyway, there's the SPY daily, and it's still that 390 area seems to be a big deal there. So it would be Thursday, Friday, and then today all kind of flirted with it. Went below it today, but closed above it. I'm not a big SPY watcher as far as I don't trade the overall market. I trade individual stocks, but that might be an area worth keeping an eye on going forward, right? All right, so what am I watching for tomorrow? Again, I didn't trade today, so this is the time of the video where I usually go over some of the stuff from the morning. Certainly can't do that because I didn't trade. So anyway, what are we watching for tomorrow? ISEE. Big breakout on big volume. We'll see if it's another setup tomorrow. FWBI, big volume, closing well off its highs though, but definitely going to put it on a chart. CFVI, we talked about this. It was in the video coming into the week. It's been in the video for the last several days because it had this pop, coiled, then a nice pop on Friday and a nice continuation today. We'll see. It's a little ahead of itself, but certainly going to keep it on a chart. SHPH. It's been trading for 4 days now. There's the open. The opening day went all the way up over 80. Then the next day went up to, 126? And then straight down near 10, like we've seen a lot of stocks do lately. But a strong bounce today, so I definitely want to keep an eye on it tomorrow. It's actually trading a little higher in after hours. Where am I? SHP. So PETQ, which is, I don't know that I've ever seen this thing. But it was bleeding lower and lower and lower for like 2 weeks straight. Then today gets a really big volume day for that stock, and looks like it topped out right around 10 bucks too. Could be an interesting level to watch tomorrow. PXMD, I'm just gonna put it on bounce watch because it had the gap up on Friday, but closed red, and then today a gap down. Again, it's only been trading a little over a week, but if we get that bounce play set up that we look for, this one could catch some bids. So it goes on a chart, right? This one, BIAF, has only been trading for 3 days. And in its 3 days, there's the early high on day one, kind of a midday high on day two, and then this morning was the high for day three. So it just goes to, it kind of falls in line with if I can get an afternoon break out of a range, even though it's only been trading for 3 days, much like other bounce pools, I think it could give us a nice trade. NERV, putting this back, finally gotten down in that kind of buy zone area, maybe even kind of trying to retest this former high of 858. Not sure if it got to 862. I'd call that a retest, and it's in that buy zone we look for. So I am going to put NERV on bounce watch. WEBR goes on bounce watch. Man, it's fallen from 1050 down to 6 in about a week. But it does, it did bounce off this area back here, here, and here, and it's gotten there quickly. So it's a decent setup for a snapback bounce for a day trade. But I know you guys already know that because I'm a day trader, right? GCT had a nice pop today, but closed well off its highs. So we'll see if it, I like it for a potential long, but only with a proper setup. SAVA has held support now after this gap up and really had a nice push today. We'll see if that follows through tomorrow. And then lastly, I threw APGN on watch, which this big volume spike here is still only about 1 million shares. So, but it's been basing for a couple of weeks, now trying to turn up. So we'll see. We'll add other gappers in the pre-market as well. I will be trading tomorrow, and again, my apologies for the late notice of me not trading today. I'm done babbling. I'll see y'all in the chat room in the morning.